Hey friends, today we are going to discuss on how can we put a cotton bud to different uses. When I talk about cotton bud or when you see a cotton bud, what is the idea that you get? Something that is used for cleaning, yes. However, there can be many other uses of a cotton bud. Stay with me through the video and I'll show you what could be the different ways in which you can use a cotton bud. Say suppose you are using an eyeliner in this way and whilst drawing the line, say it goes out, or if you're using a wet liner it gets smudged, or if you use a mascara maybe it touches on the top of your eyelid. So what you could do is you could take the cotton bud in this way and just rub it on the line wherever which is out or which has been smudged, and you can keep the remaining liner. The other way what you could do is, say suppose if your eyebrows are not in shape, or they're this side that side, and you need to put them in correct shape, you could just apply Vaseline to the cotton bud and move it over your eyebrow and shape it up in the position that you feel would be right. Can you see like the difference? Yeah, I'll just shape it up, just put a little Vaseline and I'll just rub it over the eyebrow. Now say suppose the lipstick that you put or the lip gloss that you put has come out. You can again make use of the cotton bud and rub it in the excess area wherever the lipstick or the lip gloss is out, and there, it's all clean. You can notice it's all gone from underneath wherever it had come out. Now say suppose you do not have an eyeshadow brush, so you can use the cotton bud instead, and trust me, it does a much better job than the eyeshadow brush. Just use the color that you require and rub it on your eyelid in this way, and there, you'll see that it really smudges through with your skin, and there, it's all good. This is another way of using the cotton bud. Say suppose your nail polish comes out from the nail area on the skin. What you could do is you can use some acetone nail polish remover on the cotton bud and just wipe it around your nail, around the area wherever the nail polish is excess. So you can do this in this way. There, can you see? Yeah, this will go on in this way, and this will avoid smudging your nail polish. It's clean, neat, and well done nail. I'll give you another bonus tip. Say suppose if your kids, they have these ring type earrings and you get scared in case when you try to remove it with your hand it might pinch them. What you could do is just insert the cotton bud in this way and pull it upwards, holding the earring tight from down, and there, it's open. This is Now there are many other different ways in which you can use the cotton bud. These are the few ways which I make use of. Also, alternatively, what you could do is, in case if you have a wound and you need to wipe the area on the wound or around, you can use the cotton bud. You can put the medicine on the cotton bud, say, and wipe it around that area. And say suppose if you have a tooth problem and your tooth is hurting, You can dip your cotton bud with a very little bit of clove oil and apply it on the area where your tooth hurts. Another way would be is say suppose small kids, they come in a lot of use for small kids. Say suppose there is some dirt side of their eye, or you want to clean the small or tiny areas on their face or body. You can always make use of the cotton bud. I'm sure you all must be knowing different other ways of using the cotton bud. If you all do, please share it with me in the comments section. I would love to read them. Also, if you all liked this hack of mine, please do leave your comments and let me know. For those of you all who have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly do not forget and click on the subscribe button that you see below and the bell icon besides it to get updates on all my upcoming videos. I'll see you in another episode of How.